This is a tutorial on problem solving when working with students in UniTime. You can always reach out to the pre-reg team if something doesn't look right, but there are a few tools you can use to problem solve on your own. When logging into UniTime, always ensure that you are in the correct term and role. Using the online dashboard, let's see if Imogene has the correct status and is in the correct student group. If Imogene is a continuing student, she should be in the pre-reg student group. Her status during pre-reg should be requests enabled, which is open-ended, or a today plus 2 business days. Presumably, if Imogene has not met with her advisor, her status will be CRF not started. Once the final batch has run and students move over to open registration, the status will automatically update to enabled or enabled WL1, which means waitlisting 1. If Imogene is a new beginner and going through all aboard, she should be in the pre-reg new student group and have the status of new ST-CRF, new student CRF. Her status, similar to a continuing student, will be new student CRF enabled, which is open-ended, or a new student CRF today plus 2 business days, or if she has not had her advising appointment, her status would be not started, like it is here. Once the final batch has run for all aboard and students move over to open registration, the status will automatically update to enabled or enabled WL1. You can change a student's status by clicking on the selected student and then clicking on the little icon next to the ID. This will pull up a menu and allow you to change the status by way of the online dashboard. I'm about ready to meet with Imogene, and I'm going to change her status from not started to requests enabled, and it now reflects here in the status. You can also do this on the advisor course recommendations page. If a student is not in the correct group or not in a group at all, please contact the pre-reg team for assistance.